Hey girls, this is Elisa with WTI.
I want to introduce you to my new fall favorites, the Mattiventon ankle boots. They are chic, comfy, and perfect for dressing up or down this season. These boots are the perfect mix of classy and modern with that square toe and low kitten heel that add a touch of elegance without sacrificing comfort, making it the perfect shoe for traveling, school, or work. They're super soft inside and out thanks to the faux suede material as well. The low heel makes them comfortable enough to wear all day long. The smooth side zipper glides easily, and the square toe gives the feet a little extra room while keeping the look stylish and sleek. They come in different, beautiful colors, so you can choose your favorite one. These boots are soft, stylish, and seriously super comfortable. They are the proof that fashion and comfort can walk hand in hand.
And that's my point of view.